Hey children, good morning. Sai Ram. How are you all? I'm fine children. Thank you so very much. So children, you are enjoying at home? Show a thumbs up if you are enjoying. Okay children. No problem children. It's the time that you have to be safe. Okay. So are you ready children for a new topic, a new poem? Okay, ready? Very good, children. I'm very happy that you're always ready for the poem and all. Okay, so what you can see, children, on the screen? Yes, it's a road. Have you seen a road, children? When you go out, you have seen the roads. Yes. So you have to be very careful while moving on the road. So what you can see on the road, children? What you see on the road? Yes, you see cars moving ahead, then motorbike, scooter, truck, right? Buses you see on the road, right, children? You know, children, you have when you go on the road or when your parents is driving a car or a scooter, they have to pay an attention on the road. You know why, children? Because we have to follow the rules and you have to follow the signal lights also. These are traffic lights. You know what is this? This is traffic lights. And you know the colors, and this color have a meaning. So which is the first color, children? Very good. It's a red color. And what is the next color? Oh, it's a yellow, but in this we'll say amber lights. We will say amber lights. And what is the third color? Yes, it's a green color. Green lights. So these lights have a meaning. Like this red light means you have to stop. You have to off the engine and you have to wait. Now, what does this amber light means? Amber light means you have to start your engine and just be ready. And then green light says now you can move ahead. Okay, so you have to always follow this lights. It's very important when you are driving, when your parents are driving. Even you should see if it is red, you should say, Mama, stop. If it is green, you should say, Mama, let's move ahead. Okay. See this, a car, it's on the signal, on the lights, it's showing red color. So that car has stopped. And can you see the lines in front of the car? That are zebra crossing. That are zebra crossing. As soon as it's red, you can move from one side to the other side of the road only on that zebra crossing. Okay, you have to pass it from that lines only. And if children, you are not stopping at the red light, what will happen? The two cars will clash to each other and it may come to an accident. So to take care of all these things, if you are breaking a rule, who is the next man? This is the man? Yes, it's a traffic police. He is known as a traffic police. He will come behind you and he will catch you and give you a fine for not following the rules. So whenever you go out, you should always follow the traffic lights and the rules. Okay, children? So today what we are going to learn is a new rhyme on traffic lights. So children, first I will say the whole poem, then we can all repeat after me. Okay? So let's get started. So title of the poem is Traffic Lights. Say, red light, what do you say? I say stop, stop right away. Amber light, amber light. What do you mean? I mean wait till the light turns green. Green light, green light. What do you say? I say go, go right away. Nice poem, children. So shall we repeat together? So let's get started. Say, title of the poem is Traffic Lights. Red light, red light. What do you say? I say stop. Stop right away. Amber light, amber light. What do you mean? I mean wait till the light turns green. Green light, green light. What do you say? I say go, go right away. Nice poem, children. So shall we repeat one more time? Okay. Say, title of the poem is Traffic Lights. Say, red light, red light. What do you say? I say stop. Stop right away. Amber light, amber light. What do you mean? I mean wait till the light turns green. Green light, green light. What do you say? I say go, go right away. Very good, children. You have said very nicely. So, shall we move to our activity part, children? So, let's get started. Children, for the activity, we require glue stick, a candy stick, white crayon, and this 3 traffic signal colors and this black paper. If you are not having any black paper, you can take white color paper and paint it with black. So first, we are going to take this small paper and we are going to just stick it on this small paper. First is a red light. Next is the amber light. And the third is a green color. Now our traffic light is ready. Now we are going to stick it like this behind. See, I have sticked it. Now let it keep it aside to dry. Now we will take this black sheet. I have painted it black. Now we will cut it in this strips, like this strip. See, children, I have cut this. I have not taken any measurement. I have just cut it in this block. Now we'll take a white crayon and then we are just going to draw a line like this, keeping a few distance. So we are drawing a lane what you can see on the road. Now this is a road what we have made. You can make one of them a zebra crossing. We are making a zebra crossing like this. Then again we are going to draw a line. Here also we will draw. So this is done. Now children, we will take the glue and we will stick it like this in a square. We'll take a little inside and we're going to stick here like this, and here. So we are going to stick it. So children, this is a road. I have made it in a square shape. It's just for play and to understand the traffic signal. So I have kept a signal here. Now I have taken a car. Now you can play, like we will say start. Red. Red means stop. And then it turns yellow and then green. Now on the zebra crossing you will stop. Okay, and this way you are going to play. So children, did you like the activity? Learn the poem and do the activity. Take care of yourself. Okay, bye children.